Alright, you guys, so this is my attempt at a dragonfly. So I've had a lot of people ask me to do this, and I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but most of the time when I'm nervous, it actually turns out really good, so let's hope for that. But the colors are super pretty, so I'm already happy about that part. Can get the rubber bands off. All right, a couple of Sinew. So I do have to update the website. It has been a while, so some of the shirts that you guys watch, the spirals, they're not on there yet. I haven't gotten to that yet. I've had quite a few orders lately, so I'm trying to get those done too. All right, so this is ready to go. Make sure I'm getting it right. All right, ready? Dragonfly attempt. Ooh, that's not bad. Alright, so that wasn't a bad attempt at my first dragonfly, so I'm definitely going to try that again, but I'm going to mess with the wings a little bit. So this isn't the final dragonfly. So colors turned out really good, the shape of the body's not bad, the wings I got to work on. But thank you guys so much for watching, and happy tie-dyeing!